Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up your TP-Link wireless router. Whether you're setting up a new network or replacing an old router, this step-by-step guide will help you get connected in no time. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the TP-Link router. Inside the box, you'll find the router itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Make sure you have everything you need before we proceed. Now, let's connect the hardware. Start by connecting the Ethernet cable to your modem. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into the WAN port on the TP-Link router. Next, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. You should see the router's LED light up. Give the router a minute to power up completely. You'll know it's ready when the LED stabilize. The power LED should be solid, and the WAN LED should start blinking if the connection is active. Next, we need to access the router's setup page. Connect your computer or smartphone to the router using the default Wi-Fi network name found on the router's label. Open a web browser and type the tplinkwifi.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to log in. Then enter the default username and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the quick setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your internet connection. Choose your connection type, DHCP, PPPoE, etc., and enter any necessary information. Now, let's set up your Wi-Fi. Go to the wireless settings. Here, you can change the default Wi-Fi network name and set a strong password. Make sure your password is secure to keep your network safe. Save the changes once you're done. After setting up your Wi-Fi, let's test the connection. Connect a device to your new Wi-Fi network and try browsing the internet. If everything is working fine, you should be online and ready to go. If you need help, our experts are available. Contact them at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. For any questions, please comment below. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link wireless router. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.